veg fried rice. For veg fried rice, we need chopped carrot, beans, green chili, garlic, ginger, chopped onion, and chopped capsicum. In a pan, add butter, olive oil. Next, add garlic, ginger, and green chili. Pan has to be very hot. Feel the garlic aroma. When the garlic start to turn little brown, add all the veggies. Carrot, beans, onions, and capsicum. Them well. Let them saute for 5 minutes. Add little salt. Pepper. Add soya sauce. Remember that soya sauce would also contain some salt, so manage salt accordingly and let the soya sauce caramelize. Add chili sauce. Add little bit of vinegar. Now add the cooked basmati rice. Ensure equal quantities of vegetables and rice. Add the basmati rice accordingly. Mix it well like this with all the sauces. Saute for 2 minutes and the fried rice is ready to serve.